Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to simply clone your voice for AI videos in ElevenLabs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go to ElevenLabs. Once you're in your ElevenLabs, you need to simply sign up for voices. After you have signed up, to clone your voice in ElevenLabs for AI videos, you need to go to the voices section and choose either instant voice cloning that is quick and uses 1 to 5 minutes audio, or professional voice cloning that requires 30 plus minutes of clean audio, better quality and paid plan. You can record clear audio without noise in a quiet space, upload it that is in WAV format that is best, name your voice and complete a voice verification step. After processing, use your clone voice in the text-to-speech interface, adjusting settings like stability and similarity for AI video narration. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.